This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeannie Stokes. Gorgeous townhome in Independence. Spacious, light and bright, open floor plan perfect for entertaining. The great room can accommodate the largest sectional sofa with room to spare. Large kitchen open to great room with stainless steel appliances, granite counters and tons of cabinets. Fresh paint, all ceramic tile downstairs, brand new carpeting upstairs. Upstairs laundry. Private courtyard with covered patio area, 2-car garage and ample driveway. Home is next to the community trail, making for ease of walking or biking just out the back door. HOA includes cable, internet, pest and lawn service. Front yard. HOA includes amazing community amenities including 2 community pools, clubhouse with arcade, second clubhouse with billiards and fitness room, play areas, large community park, 2 dog parks, tennis and basketball courts, walking/biking path throughout Independence, 2 private boat ramps, amazing community events planned by full-time community event planner, on-site community property NGR and so much more. Close to 429 entrance, shopping, grocery, restaurants, movie theater, Hamllin area and Disney. This is one you won't want to miss and won't last long. Open house SAT. 4/22 2-4 and Sun. 4/23 1-4. For more information, review the details below.